Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today we are in Keystone, South Dakota to check out
Mount Rushmore.
All right, buddy. Who is all included in Mount Rushmore? Who are the heads?
It is George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Teddy Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln.
Who's your favorite of the four?
Theodore Roosevelt.
Why?
Because he did so many things.
Yeah, including the national parks, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we love Teddy Roosevelt. So this is the guy that carved Mount Rushmore, designed it, and this one was actually carved by his son, Lincoln. So this walkway leading up to it is known as the Avenue of Flags. Maddie, how is it?
Good.
Yeah?
Good.
How's the ice cream?
It's the best.
So the ice cream shop here sells ice cream that is authentic to Thomas Jefferson's 1780s recipe. It's really good.
Thanks for coming with us on this adventure. We hope to see you next time.
Bye.